One thing that's not well documented is the advanced permissions. So if we go back to our sales reports folder and properties, I'm going to just drag that here. On the security tab, if I click edit, you can see that sales users has been assigned the modify permission. So we've already established that means they can read content in the folder. They can create new content. They can even delete content in the folder, or they can even delete the folder itself. The only thing they cannot do is change permissions for the folder because that would require full control. Now, the downside, it's a lot of gaps in that capability, meaning I have the sales reports folder. I need sales users to be able to open this folder and delete files within the folder. But I know they never need to delete the folder in its entirety. Well, there's no way you could actually stop that. At the folder level, if you grant them modify permission, they can delete all the contents within the folder, but they can also delete the folder itself. So there's not an easy way to actually do that with these, we're going to call them the basic NTFS permissions. If I okay that, and I'm going to go to advanced. Now I see my sales users, they do have, under access, they have modify. What I'm going to do is actually select that and choose edit. Now when I edit, these are the basic permissions: full control, modify, read, and all the others. Well, if I go over here and click show advanced permissions, these are the actual permissions that exist. Microsoft knew it would just be too difficult for me to assign permissions if I had to go through and check like these many boxes to equate to just the modify permission. So really all that happens when you assign those basic NTFS permissions like read, modify, read and execute, full control, all it does is select the corresponding advanced permissions on the back end that total up to give you that capability. Ease of administration is really what the goal of that is. But notice here, there is an option to delete subfolders and files. Right now it's set to delete. So that applies to the parent folder and all the contents in it. But something I can do is clear the delete, and I'm going to click delete subfolders and files. Now you cannot delete the parent folder if you are a member of sales users, but you could delete any subfolders within it. You could also delete any files within it, just not the folder the permission set on itself. Now, to me, that seems easy enough to understand. Just delete subfolders and files. But if I click OK, the first thing that's a little strange, notice under Access, the permission is now listed as Special, where it was Modify. To me, it should say Custom, but Special is what Microsoft named it. Well, if I click OK on that as well, Sales Users still shows up here. Now, I'm actually going to click Edit. I think it's easier to see on the Edit screen. But if I select Sales Users, you can see checked. Read and execute, list folder contents, read. Modify is no longer checked because I deselected that delete. If I scroll down on the list, it may be difficult to see, but there is like a hidden check mark. It's like very faded out grayish under special permissions. What this special permissions really should say is that the permissions you see above, selected or not selected, are actually not truthful. Something has changed on the back end, and the only way to know what has changed is to click the Advanced button and go see what the actual advanced permissions are set to. Now, the reason I point that out, if someone were to say, I think a member of sales users deleted some files out of this folder, I would glance at this list. And when I see that modify is not selected, my first reaction would be, no, you must be mistaken, because they don't have modify permission. So unless they are in another group that shows up here, they don't have the ability to delete anything. Unless you scroll to the bottom and notice that special permissions is here just to get your attention, then you could go back and see that they have delete subfolders and files. But I'm going to cancel that. We didn't actually modify anything. I'm going to go back to Advanced. And I'm going to select Sales Users again, where it has a special permission. And I'm going to edit. Another option. Now you could put this back to the way it was, or we could leave it like it is, does not matter. But notice here it says applies to this folder, subfolder, and files. Now what I'm going to do is actually put this back to the way it was. So that equates to the modify permission. But under this applies to, I'm going to say this applies to files only, where the default is this folder, subfolders, and files. So now you only have permissions for files. So you can delete files. You cannot delete a folder or a subfolder if we choose files only. Well, if I click OK, the first thing that's a little weird, this goes back to saying modify. Even though we know you can only delete files, you can only manage files, not folders. But if I OK this, the part that looks very weird, when I select sales users, nothing is checked here. So at first it looks like something is maybe corrupt. They don't appear to have read access, modify. They don't have any of those permissions defined, but there is that like hidden check mark showing up in special permissions. Now, the reason none of these are checked is because you truly don't have this level of access through the entire structure, because you don't have access to the folder level, just the individual files. Now, I'll tell you, that's not as common that we set it that way. Much more common is that we go to advanced, like where we just were, and modify these is much more common. So just a way to further customize these permissions to tailor whatever your needs actually are. Now I'm going to set all this back to exactly the way it was. So applies to, I'm going to go back to this folder, subfolder, and files. We already enabled the delete and deselected the delete subfolder and files. So I'll just OK that. Now that says modify. And now you can see sales users have the modify permission back. So all that's undone. Now we are just back to the default permissions. Pretty fascinating.